tired of this shit. Hell no. Shut up! Shut up! Shut the hell up!
My neighbors have been non-stop all fucking morning. I'm gonna faint when they're being loud.
When the people upstairs is making too much noise.
Oh, bitch, you got me fucked up. Bitch, I mean your shit, bitch.
I can't breathe, bro.
Every morning at 5 a.m. Today they asked if I could be quiet so they could nap.